contemplating in the ferry terminal waiting area for bikes. I've never done this. I'm in the big city of New York. I'm gonna look for the bike path. What a beautiful day. I'm gonna close the strap on my helmet. Let's go. I want to take a moment to publicly apologize for this piece of cushioning that's sticking out of my helmet. I had no idea it was sticking out of my helmet the whole time. I'm so embarrassed. Coming up narrow. Biking up the West Side Highway. I'm not sure what area of the world that is across the water. Maybe it's Jersey City. You gotta keep your eyes open for pedestrians and dogs, and little children darting out. Here's a financial center. I also think I should invest in a bike bell, because if there's someone in front of me, I'm not good at saying like, excuse me, can you move? But if I had a bike bell, I could just ring it and they would hear it. So this bike path is meant just for bikers or joggers. There's not as many people to dodge. I'm up to West 39th Street. My goal is to get to 42nd Street. I just saw a man who looked like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Wow, look at me. I bike rode from Staten Island to 42nd Street in Manhattan. Get yourself together, KRAUSE. Is this the life you imagined for yourself? What are you guys in the city for? I just bike rode past a restaurant and I took a big deep breath in because I smelled grill, like grilling hamburgers and hot dogs. And even though I'm a vegetarian, I still appreciate the smell of the wonderful grill. Now I'm really in a rush. So I want to make the 3:30 ferry and I have 15 minutes to bike to the ferry. Let's see if I could do it. 4 minutes until the ferry departs and I don't think I'm gonna make it. It's 3:30 now, the time of the ferry. It's 3:31. So now I'm just gonna take my time. The ferry departed, but everything's great. It's a beautiful day. Whoa. back on Staten Island, about 15 minutes from my house. My legs are tired. Definitely got a good workout today. I know I'm gonna have nice legs and a nice body. I'm pretty tired at this point. Now I'm going down a hill. Going downhill is the best. First you have to get uphill, so it's hard, but then you just glide, baby. Feel the breeze. I'm further than home than I thought. There's a lot of hills. It's not easy. It's not getting easier. But I guess it's all worth it because of the nice legs. Oh man, this is a struggle. Some man just yelled at me from his car. I think he said, "Shut up." I'm walking for a minute because I have little to no energy.